Hello everyone. We have three different tables for 2021, 2022 and 2023 sales. Let's see the pattern of the table. So we have date, order number, product ID, sales channel, quantity and sales. The pattern is followed on every single table for every year. But when we go to Power BI, we need to make one single table from these three. How do we do this? First, select one table. Select our table and transform data. On the first step, we do our needed transformation. So maybe for this sales, we change it to fixed decimal number, replace current, quantity is fine, every other thing is good. And let's think about one scenario that we have channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and web 1, 2, but maybe we stopped selling on channel 5, so we remove the channel 5 from our data, so it is filtered. Assume that our transformation is done. Now we change the table name as data 2021. Look at the source, everything is same and we have the sales data 2021 Excel file loaded here. Okay, so we copy this query and paste it here. We have 2021, change it to 2022 and just go to the source and make the table name and the Excel file name 2022. Everything else remains the same and see 2022 data is loaded. Follow the same thing on the next table, 2023, and change the source name to 2023. Everything is done. Now we want to combine these three tables. So we go to Append query as new. So we have three or more tables. We add three of them, 2021, 2022 and 2023. We are appending these tables to a new table. We rename this as sales data. So it combines all three tables into one table. And your sales data table is ready. But on our Power BI, we don't need to load these three tables. We only need to load sales data. So we disable the load for this one, and the third one as well. And close and apply. And see, your sales data table is ready. When you come here and see the sales data table, you see it starts from January 2021. We can check the min and max date here as well. So maybe we create a table based visual. We select our date and select date. The earliest date is January 1, 2021. Again, we add another field that is date and make it latest. So our data is from January 1, 2021 to January 28, 2023. Maybe we can use a multi-row card here. Latest date and earliest date. And combining three tables are done in your Power BI. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section, like my video and subscribe my channel.